Chapter 14 Mensuration Value Based Questions. Question number 1. Raman, a painter, always donated 1/5 of his income to an orphanage. Once he got a contract of painting a house having 3 rooms of dimensions 10 meter into 12 meter into 3.5 meter, 8 meter into 6 meter into 3.5 meter and 7 meter into 5 meter into 3.5 meter. He charged rupees 30 per meter square for his work. A question: how much money did Raman earn? B question: find the amount of money he gave to orphanage. C question: what feature of Raman's personality would you appreciate and why? Here, Raman, a painter, always he donated 1/5 of his income. How much he is earning in that 1/5 part donating to orphanage. Once he got contract of painting a house having 3 rooms. Here dimensions of each room given. This is first room dimension, second room dimension and third room dimension. Length, breadth and height given for each rooms. He charged rupees 30 per meter square. For every 1 meter square, he charged rupees 30. You have to find how much money did Raman earn. Nothing but total amount earned by Raman. B question: find the amount of money he gave to orphanage. How much amount he donated to orphanage, that you have to find in the B question. C question: what feature of Raman's personality would you appreciate and why? Okay, these are the 3 sub questions we have to solve here. First, you have to find the total area painted. Nothing but 3 rooms he painted. First room, second room and third room. First you have to find the total area. Later you have to multiply the total area into cost per meter square. Then you will get the total amount earned by Raman. Then second question, to find the answer for the second question, you have to do 1/5. He donating 1/5 of his earned amount. 1/5 into total amount what we got, that we have to do. Then we'll get the amount donated to orphanage. Okay. C question, that you can write by observing this question. Now let us solve first question. How much money did Raman earn? To get this total amount, first we have to find the total area painted. Area of room to be painted. Here 3 rooms painted. Already we learned, children, painting always done by 4 walls and 1 ceiling. Area of 4 walls plus area of ceiling. Okay. Area of 4 walls, always you have to write the formula 2 into L plus B into H. 2 into L plus B into H, lateral surface area of a cuboid, plus area of ceiling. Area of ceiling is in the form of rectangle. Rectangle area is length into breadth. Here how many rooms he done? 3 rooms. For each room you have to apply this formula and add all the areas, then you will get the total area. Okay. 2 into L plus B into H for first room. 10 into 12. 10 plus 12 into 3.5 plus again L into B. 12 into 10 or 10 into 12. Here substitute 2 into L plus B into H plus L into B. L into B. L is 10, B is 12. This is for first room. Similarly, second room you have to add plus 2 into second room dimensions given 8 meter, 6 meter and 3.5 meter. 2 into 8 plus 6 L plus B into H. H is 3.5 plus again L into B. L into B is 8 into 6. 8 into 6 plus we have to find the third room area. Again 2 into 7 plus 5 into 3.5 plus 7 into 5. Okay, close the bracket. Now simplify each brackets. 2 into 10 plus 12 22 into 3.5 plus 10 12s are 120. This plus and write as it is. 2 into 8 plus 6 14 into 3.5 plus 8 6 are 48. Close the bracket. This plus sign write as it is. 2 into 7 plus 5 12 into 3.5 plus 7 5s are 35. Now simplify each bracket here. 22 2s are 44. 44 into 3.5 will get 154 plus 120 write as it is. Again multiply. 14 2s are 28 plus 3.5 98 plus 48 write as it is plus 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 3.5 84 plus 35 write as it is. Now addition of 154 plus 120 is equals to 274 plus 98 plus 48 146 plus 84 plus 35 119. Now add all these three numbers, will get 539 meter square. What is this? This is the total area. Now we need how much money did Raman earn? For every meter square he charged 30 rupees. Total area is 539 meter square. Therefore, money earned by Raman is equals to 30 rupees per meter square into total area 539 is equals to 16170. 16,170 is the total amount earned by Raman. In second sub question, we have to find amount donated by Raman to orphanage. In beginning only they given 1/5 of his income is donated to orphanage. Now you have to find the amount given by Raman to orphanage is equal to 1/5 of his income. 1/5 nothing but 1/5 of his income. His total income divided by 5 will give the amount donated to orphanage. 1/5 into his income. Before we got 16170, 16,170. 5 1s are 5 3s are 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 2 left, 5 4s are 3,234 rupees. 3,234 rupees is the amount donated to orphanage by Raman. This is the second sub question answer. Okay. Third, you have to find which quality you appreciate. Here, concern towards society. You can write concern towards society or caring towards society. You can write any quality observed by Raman. This completes value based question number 1. Value based second question. For Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, a rally was organized by a school. Monal wrote the slogan on a trapezium shaped cardboard having the length of parallel sides 60 cm and 90 cm respectively and the distance between them as 50 cm. First question, find the area of the trapezium. B question, what are your views about girl education? C question, what steps can you take to promote girl education? Here, Monal wrote slogan, that is Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao slogan, wrote in cardboard. The shape of the cardboard is trapezium. They given length of parallel sides 60 cm and 90 cm and also given distance between them, nothing but height 50 cm. First question, you have to find the area of the trapezium. Okay. First you have to draw trapezium. Let ABCD be a trapezium on which Monal wrote the slogan. Consider a trapezium. Trapezium is a closed quadrilateral having opposite pair of sides are parallel to each other. Here ABCD is a trapezium and also two parallel sides length given. One is 60 centimeter, another is 90 centimeter, and the distance between the two parallel sides nothing but height of the trapezium 50 centimeter given. Now you have to find the area of this trapezium. Already we know the formula. Area of the trapezium, area of ABCD, we consider trapezium here ABCD. Area of ABCD is equals to half into height into sum of parallel sides. Half into height into sum of parallel sides consider as A and B, A plus B. Half into height 50 centimeter, A plus B 60 centimeter plus 90 centimeter, half into 50 into 90 plus 60, 150. After cancellation 2 ones are 225s are 2 ones are 225s are 15 25s are 375 3750 centimeter square or square centimeter is the area of the trapezium. Here B question you have to answer, or second question here, what are your views about girls education? Okay, girls education is must for the development of every field of society. To develop the society in each and every field, girls education is must and should. C question or third question, what steps can you take to promote girl education? Here, to promote girl education, we have to encourage people to send girls to school. Then only we can promote girls education. Last answer you have to write, by encouraging people to send girls to school, we can promote girl education. This completes mensuration value based second question.